Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve these box braids. I am not going to bore you guys to death, so I'm just going to jump right to it. I shampooed, blow dried my hair, and I went ahead and parted everything. Well, actually I had my mom part it, and I did the rubber band method. I come in with some hair. I put a ton of moisturizer. The moisturizer that I use is Bangin' Butter from Parker J's, and I put that on. I brush it through, and then I split my hair into three and begin braiding. Now, I am going to slow it down and show you two more times how I do this. So, just watch, and I hope that this helps you guys. So, yes, but thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.